So this is to show how to install the NLG drill harness. So when your drill harness arrives, it will look like this. So the first thing to do is to undo the tri-lock collar, which is going to go onto the handle of the tool. So you undo the tri-lock like so, and you can see you have now an opening that you slide on your battery into. So step 2, once we have our drill harness located correctly on the tool and on the battery pack, is we do up the tri-lock collar. So the first layer is going to come around like so. The second layer we pull as taut as possible and comes around like so, and then the third layer is going to come back and lock that system in place. So we now have the anchor point firmly secured onto the body of the tool, importantly, and obviously the battery is contained through the drill harness. You now connect your lanyard of choice to the drill harness, so making sure that it's adequate load rating for the drill or the tool that you're using, and that is the NLG drill harness.